At Greenfield University, a team of lecturers is planning a new master's program on climate change and sustainable futures. Ideas flow quickly: climate models, ethics, policy, and energy systems. Soon, the whiteboard is full, but everyone realizes the same issue. There's too much content. How can they organize all this into something students can truly understand? Structuring learning content means turning many ideas into a clear learning path. This process involves three key steps. In the first step, educators select and simplify content to make it manageable without losing meaning. Next, they group related ideas into clear segments that form logical learning units. Finally, these units are arranged into a sequence that supports understanding, building from foundations to complexity. Educational adaptation means adjusting content so learners can handle it without oversimplifying. It involves prioritizing key ideas, removing non-essential details, and making complex information more accessible. To support understanding, educators often use knowledge structures, visual frameworks like trees for classification, matrices for comparison, and flowcharts for processes. These structures help organize relationships and reduce cognitive load. In the climate change program, the team applies these strategies. They identify three core pillars: understanding the climate system, exploring societal and ethical impacts, and designing responses through policy, economics, and innovation. This adaptation transforms a vast, complex topic into a clear and teachable foundation. Once the key content is set, it must be segmented and sequenced. Segmentation means dividing material into coherent, manageable units. Sequencing arranges these units in a logical order to support cumulative learning. There are several ways to sequence content: from simple to complex, from specific to general, from general to specific, by process, chronologically, from familiar to new, or using the Zoom principle. When designing a full curriculum, two main models guide sequencing: the topical and the spiral curriculum. In a topical curriculum, each topic is explored fully before moving on to the next, deep but isolated. In a spiral curriculum, key themes return at higher levels of depth, connecting ideas over time. The climate change team decides to combine both approaches. Some topics are explored in detail, while others reappear later at a higher level. They also integrate interleaving in the learning units, mixing related but distinct topics, such as energy policy and ecosystem management, to strengthen understanding through variety. Three key principles guide effective content structuring. First, simplify without trivializing. Focus on the essentials and keep meaning intact. Second, leverage existing knowledge structures. Use well-known frameworks that make relationships clear. Third, use interleaving. Revisit important content in different contexts to reinforce understanding. What began as a mountain of ideas is now a cohesive and meaningful design. Modules build on each other, from climate science foundations to applied strategies for sustainable futures. myScripting helps you in this process, simplifying knowledge and amplifying understanding.